Now friends, chapter number 2, polynomials, example 2. Find the zero of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Friends, here first we find zeros. To find zeros, we take x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Find two parts of 10 into 1 plus 10. Find two parts of 10 whose sum is 7. 5 2 जा 10 के दो ऐसे पार्ट निकालो जिसका सम 7 होगा. 5 2 जा. Whenever the multiplication is plus, middle term sign to give both the number. Here x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here we take common x from it and in bracket x plus 5. Here is plus, so I write here plus, take common 2 from it and in bracket x plus 5 is equal 0. So we write 1 bracket is x plus 5 and the other is x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5, x is equal minus 2. Now we have to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. So friends, here we do sum of zeros is equal minus 5 plus minus 2. So minus 5 minus 2, it will be minus 7. Now friends, this term we got negative. A term हमको negative मिला है. तो what is the formula of sum of zero? Sum of zero का formula है friends minus b by, क्या है minus b by. There will be minus in the formula. Here is minus. What is 7? Friends, sum of zero में a minus है, so we write here minus as it is. इसके डिनोमिनेटर में 1 होगा. ये माइनस को हमको ऐसे ही रखना है. 7. Simply look at the 7. 7 is the coefficient of x. 7 coefficient of x. And what is 1? 1 is the coefficient of x square. So this is the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Once again, friends, this is in a minus form. Whenever this is minus, here is not a need to, right? Otherwise, अगर एक प्लस होता, अगर प्लस 3 होता तो हम क्या करते? माइनस 3 करते. उसके बाद जाके हम इसको इसके साथ कंपेयर करते. ओके? अगर प्लस 3 होता है तो सम ऑफ जीरो अगर प्लस 3 होता तो माइनस 3 करना है. But here is the minus, so it is not need to do the other minus. Minus is the sign of the formula. 7 is the coefficient of x and 1 is the coefficient of x square. When the sum of 0 became minus. At that time you have to write minus, minus, negative, negative, positive, and in denominator 1. Then after we solve, here we look, the product of 0 product of zeros is equal, what we got here, minus 5 into minus 2, negative, negative, positive 10. So here we write, here is 10 and in denominator 1. Friends, we can see what is a 10? What is a 10? 10 is a constant term. 10 is a constant term. And in denominator, what is 1? 1 is a coefficient of x square. So we write here coefficient of x square. So this is our answer. Now I take example 3 here also. Same sum. Here is example 3. In this example, friends, here find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. उसका सम दिया है x square minus 3 दिया है. X square minus 3 is given and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. We solve it. Example 3. To find zeros, we take x square minus 3 is equal 0. Its factorization, bracket square minus bracket square is equal 0. x square का स्क्वायर रूट होता है x, 3 का हम लिखेंगे √3. फ्रेंड्स 9 होता है तो हम लिखते हैं 3 into 3, 3 square. बट 3 होता है तो √3 into √3 means √3 square. So we write here √3 square. It's factorization, x plus √3, x minus √3 is equal 0. So we got here x plus √3 is equal to 0. X minus √3 is equal to 0. X is equal, take this √3, that side it became minus. Take this √3 1 side, that side it became plus. Now, sum of zeros is equal minus √3 plus √3. It will be 0. Now, here is 0. So we write here 0 upon 1. अब दूसरा फैक्ट, हम 0 के आगे माइनस करेंगे या प्लस करेंगे कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. बट सम ऑफ 0 उसका फार्मूला है माइनस b बाय a एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 0 का फार्मूला है c बाय a. So minus is the formula. What is 0? So 0 is the, look here, I write for understanding x square plus 0x minus 3. यानी 0 क्या है? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x upon coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Look friends, here x raised to 2, the power 1 is not given, so we take x coefficient is a 0 and minus 3 is a constant term. So 0 is the coefficient of x and 1 is the coefficient of x square. Now product of 0 देते हैं, sum of 0 का हमने रिलेशन फाइंड किया. Now product of zeros, here we write minus √3 into √3 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus 3. So we write here minus 3 by 1 minus 3. We can see here minus 3 is a constant term. So write constant term and in denominator 1 coefficient of x square. So this is the sum. We solve this sum on this way, friends. It's very easy and very simple. Enjoy this sum. Thank you very much.